Hi guys, Dan Stallers here. We are back with a close-up coins game. You're going to see 5 close-ups of Beatrix Potter coins. It's simple, or maybe it might not be. All you need to do is comment what those 5 coins are. An example on the screen now with the NHS 50p coin, the close-up, and as you can see the coin is in the background. The answers will be up on Sunday 6 p.m, so it does give you just over a day or so to get your guesses in the comment section. Again, plenty of people subscribing to the channel. A huge shout out to you all. So again, a little bit of an easier round this one, but there will be a more difficult one coming up next week. Again, all the 5 coins are Beatrix Potter coins, all released for circulation. Let's get your answers in the comments. Have a lovely weekend, guys. Stay safe, and as always, thanks for watching.